Hazrat Ali described about quarreling as Man zanna bi irzahi falyad'ul mar'i. He who loves his honor will stay away from quarreling. Jama'u shari al-ujari wa kasratul amarati. The sum of evils is quarreling, abundance of riots and tumults. Hazrat Ali advised, don't quarrel with inferior people. In this way, they will become bold towards you and will ignore you. Avoid quarreling because it makes the heart sick. About abuses, Hazrat Ali said, Mata saba isnani illa ghalaba illa mahma. When two persons abuse each other, then between them the one who is more inferior prevails. When you abuse in anger or jest, it creates a scorpion in your grave. Once a man said to other, Ibnul Majnoon, that is, son of mad. In response to that, the other person also retaliated and replied, Anta Ibnul Majnoon, that is, you are the son of mad. About both of them, Hazrat Ali issued a punishment in his decision.